Chemistry review topic 23 is where we are. All right, let's get to it. So significant figures. Probably the easiest trick is thinking about the Atlantic Pacific rule. So Atlantic, looking at the United States, the Atlantic Ocean being on the right side, the Pacific Ocean being on the left side. We start looking at a number on the left side when the decimal is present, like Pacific, and we start looking at the right side when the decimal is absent, like Atlantic. Okay, so let's pull up this tool. Okay, so looking at this number right here, I have a decimal right here. Okay, so that means the decimal is present. So I start going this way in the number. I look, is this number a 0? Negative. So I count every single number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 significant figures. I look at this one. Here's my decimal point. So I start on this side of the number. 0, skip, 0, skip, 0, skip. Start with the 4. 1, 2, 3 significant figures. All right, let's just switch to the pen. That's a little hard to see. Okay, this one. Here's my decimal point. With scientific notation, I'm going to ignore this part for counting significant figures. So here's the decimal, so I go this way. 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. This one, oh, no decimal. That means I count this way. Skip, skip, 1, 2, 3. Decimal, count this way. Skip, 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 1, 2, 3, 4 significant. Ignore this for significant figures. Decimal, count this way. Not a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. No decimal, count this way. Skip, 1, 2, 2 significant figures. No decimal, count this way. Skip, skip, skip. Oh, 2 significant figures. There's a decimal, so we count this way. Skip, skip, 1, 2, 3. There's a decimal, so count this way. Skip, 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 1, 2, 3. So you see, once I start counting, I can't stop. So once I start, that's it. All right, so all kinds of zeros. If it's not a 0, doesn't matter. It's always significant. We have leading zeros, zeros in between, trailing zeros. But if you do it like the way I just showed you, counting on which side, it makes for less mistakes. When you multiply and divide with numbers, we need to have the lowest number of significant digits in our answer. Okay, so that's something that's super important to know because we're doing lots of calculations. All right, that's significant figures.